In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy credits in Rainbow Six Siege. I'll walk you through the exact flow from start to finish so you know what to expect at every click. For transparency, I won't complete a purchase on camera, but I'll show you each step so you can do it confidently on your own. First, open the game or the official launcher where you manage your account and purchases. Give it a moment to load fully and make sure your internet connection is steady. If there's a pending update, let that finish first to avoid any hiccups during checkout. Next, sign into your account. Be certain you're using the account where you want the credits to land. It's a common mistake to be logged into the wrong profile, so double-check your username. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that prompt to keep your account secure. Once you're in, look for the in-game store or the currency section. You'll usually see a currency icon near the top bar or a clear option that says something like Buy Credits or Store. Click into that, and you'll be taken to the purchase screen. Here, choose the amount of credits you want to buy. You'll typically see several bundles, sometimes with bonus amounts at higher tiers. Take a second to compare the value per dollar and consider how much you actually need for the items or operators you've been eyeing. Now select your payment method. You'll generally have options like a credit or debit card, a digital wallet, or mobile carrier billing, depending on your region and platform. Pick the method that's most convenient for you and support it in your location. Enter your payment details carefully and review the order summary. Confirm the total, look for any taxes or fees, and make sure the account and bundle are correct. When everything looks good, proceed to confirm the purchase. Don't refresh or navigate away during this step. Let the system process the transaction. After a moment, you should see a confirmation message, and your credit balance will update. If it doesn't show right away, give it a minute or two, or restart the game. You may also receive a receipt by email, so keep an eye on your inbox. If the credits don't appear after a reasonable wait, contact support with your order ID so they can help resolve it. That's the entire process. Again, I'm not buying credits on screen today, but these are the exact steps you'll follow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel prepared to make your purchase safely and smoothly.